Hi everybody, look at this great place we came across off the side of the road. It's a beautiful trail and it's a cave and a spring and Ranger's having a blast. He's walking through the water and exploring, and this is a beautiful place, and what a gorgeous time of year. It's the middle of November. We're almost out of leaves here, but I wanted to just kind of walk around really quick, you guys, and show this to you. So there's the trail and the creek, and then there's this creaky little bridge, but it's awesome. It's a gorgeous day. It's November 17th, 2018. So we came across this little Keel Spring Nature Trail, and we've been wanting to stop by here for a little while. And when we started exploring, we discovered that this is an actual little cave. And there's a little bridge that we came over on. And we just walked across from the parking lot. And then there's this little brook, little stream running through here. This is amazing. Ranger's having a great time. So I just wanted to take a little peek inside of the... Oh, he is just having the best time ever. Stay up here, buddy. Yeah, so there's... Hard to say. Stay up here. So there's definitely a cave in there, and that's a pretty good size opening. So pretty hard to say here in the hills of Tennessee what could be hiding in there, or shall I say what has made its home there. So I just wanted to take a moment to show everybody this amazing little place that we found. And the gorgeous colors and the sun, the afternoon sun. Isn't it great? And Ranger just can't get enough of swimming in that cold brook, but he loves it. He loves the icy water, and he's been just climbing and exploring, and so we just were sitting here for a couple of minutes, so I just wanted to share this absolute wonderful moment and beauty with you guys. On this gorgeous November day in Tennessee. Good love and good light, everyone. And a beautiful, beautiful November to you. In grace and gratitude.